Hey, it's almost the end of 2025, and by now many of you have probably realized that building a presence on Instagram or TikTok might not be enough anymore. And for those of you who still haven't started on YouTube, let me show you why you should. Think about how people scroll on short form platforms. You see a clip, few seconds, scroll, few seconds, scroll, and that's it. After even a few minutes, you don't even remember the creator's name, profile, or logo. On YouTube, it's a completely different game. People spend minutes, sometimes hours, with a creator through videos, tutorials, or podcasts. That's how people actually get to know you, like you, and trust you. That's what builds real connections, loyal fans, and paying clients. And here is the beauty of it. When you create long-form content for YouTube, you can cut it down into shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikToks. But you can't really go the other way. You can't take a 10-second TikTok and turn it into meaningful long-form video. So by creating for YouTube first, you are doing both long and short form efficiently and smart. And of course, YouTube is still the biggest social media platform in the world. So if I've made my point and you are ready to finally take YouTube seriously, let me show you exactly how to record the video the right way. Let's start with lighting. All you really need is one LED light with a softbox. Place it slightly to your left or right, around 45-degree angle from your face. To know how bright it should be, just look at your camera screen. You want your face to look natural, not overexposed, and still have a bit of shadow of depth. This part is important. Turn off all of the lights in the room and block any sunlight from windows if you can. You want total control over your exposure and color. Lighting setups can get crazy fast, but for most people, one light and a softbox will absolutely do the job. Set your key light to 5600 Kelvin. That's daylight white, so your skin tones look clean and consistent. When it comes to your background, keep it simple and tidy. Something that fits your topic and personality. Just make sure it's not distracting. Next up, sound. Because people will forgive average video, but not bad audio. If you are on a budget, go for an on-camera mic like Rode Video Micro or Video Mic Go 2. If you can invest a bit more, get a wireless mic like the Rode Wireless Pro or the DJI Mic 2. That's what I'm using here. The best thing about this is that they record in 32-bit float, which means you don't have to stress about any audio levels or gain. It's plug and play and it just sounds great. Keep your mic close to your mouth, ideally just outside the frame. And if your room sounds echoey, hang a curtain or throw a blanket nearby. Simple fix, huge difference. And finally, the camera, the part everyone gets excited about. I could recommend thousands of models, but the rule is simple. Use the best camera you can afford. If you don't have one yet, your phone will do just fine. Just use a third-party app that lets you manually control shutter speed, ISO, and white balance. Here is what to set. Frame rate, 25 frames in Europe, 30 frames in US. Shutter speed, double your frame rate. 1/50 for 25 frames and 1/60 for 30 frames. White balance, 5600 kelvins to match your light. ISO as low as possible. Aperture around 2.8 to 4 for that nice background blur. If your image still looks too bright, dim your light or use ND filter. That's it. You don't need Hollywood gear. You just need to control the basics. So that's how you record a clean professional video at home. If you have any questions about your setup, drop a comment. I reply to everyone personally. Thanks for watching. Now go and make something great.